Welcome back. Today I have a 2004 Toyota 4Runner. Little backstory is it was sent from another shop. It has a cylinder 6 misfire, and they installed an ignition coil. It's still misfiring, so they sent it here. And also, Launch just sent me a nice little scan tool, an intermediate scan tool, the CRP129E. So I'm going to use that in this video and see how much I like it. When I brake torque it, the misfire counter is increased for cylinder 6. So I'm going to grab a secondary ignition waveform and try to decide if I should chase fuel, ignition, or a mechanical failure. I like secondary ignition. I'm not very good at analyzing it, but I'm good enough to be able to decipher if I have a fueling issue, a ignition issue, or a mechanical issue. So that's the step I'm going to go next. All right. To get my secondary ignition, I'm just going to use this homemade secondary ignition wand. I'm not sure if I should recommend it because it doesn't have any protection against any sparks from the coils. But it's the only way I've been able to get good secondary ignition waveforms on these Toyota coils that are pretty well insulated. So you guys are going to see me use this. I don't recommend it, but it's worked out well for me. I hope you guys can hear me. Right now I'm on cylinder 4. You can look at my KV line. I have good KV. Look at my turn-off oscillations. I have good turn-off oscillations. I have extra energy. Cylinder 4 is good. And if you look at cylinder 6, my KV line is substantially lower, and I don't have as many turn-off oscillations, which is telling me I have a weak spark fire somewhere on cylinder 6. I'm not sure if it's the new coil or the spark plug. Next, I'm going to swap plugs and see if the misfire moves. Just what I wanted to see. The misfire looks to be moving to cylinder 4, so it is the spark plug. So I'm just going to recommend some spark plugs for this guy, and I'll get some known good waveforms afterwards, and we'll go from there. As you can see, this one's fixed. I'm going to get you guys a known good waveform as soon as my laptop charges some. It died in the process of making this video, so as soon as that's done charging, I'll get you guys the waveform. Well, this one's fixed. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not sure why they didn't replace those spark plugs when they replaced the ignition coil. The spark plugs were original. They had 130,000 miles on them, and they're 30,000 mile spark plugs. So I don't understand it, but this one's fixed. If you guys want more information on the Launch CRP129E, there will be a link in the description. And I'll see you when the next one's broken.